We have the Kaiweets Precision Screwdriver Set, 130 in 1. I previously did a review on the iFixit toolkit, and the iFixit toolkit comes with all of this, plus a nice little overwrap and some extra spudgers and things. Let's see how the Kaiweets one lines up. 117 screwdriver bits. So 130 in 1, so we got to figure out what the extra pieces are. 10 disassembly accessories, so there's 127, plus the case, 28. Plus the handle, 29. They're getting pretty close. Maybe it's all the additional stuff that's inside. We'll have to look inside the case and find out. Be patient. Uh-oh, hold on. Ah. Okay, so the case has a latch on it. The latch is on the opposite side from the logo. That's interesting. A little cover there. Interesting little extension piece. Is this just regular extension? Yeah. Okay, so there's the extra pieces that make up the 130. So I guess this is just for hand use. It's not magnetic either. Come on. Let's use the magnetic bit to get the piece that we dropped out. Maybe this is just a size adapter? Oh, okay, it's magnetic. I just didn't put it in far enough. Totally my fault. So maybe you can do a little fine work with your fingers instead of this bigger screwdriver. Or this would fit into your regular drill motors adapter. We have a nice pair of tweezers, fine tip tweezers. Those will kill you, geez. So this is your self-defense toolkit, okay? There's a little hole up there that they fit into. And we have a little pry bar to open up plastic cases without marring it. Nice. An extension in case you wanted to have a little bit longer. And there's a magnet inside of that one as well. In the storage box, we've got some picks for opening. We've got a suction cup for taking screens off of phones. And then we have a little SIM tool in there. So this you can use to repair cell phones by pushing the eject on the SIM tray, and that stores away in the case so you won't lose it. Nice. Let's see, what kind of stuff do we have here? Some super tiny Phillips heads, and those look like they are consumables. So you get 1, 2, 3 of the quad aughts, 1, 2, 3 of the triple aughts, 1, 2 of the double aught, 2 of the aughts, 2 singles, 2 number 2s. Some of these small ones, they do tend to get damaged pretty easily. Sometimes people put tiny screws in way too tight and you wind up breaking them off. There are magnets embedded in there. That's a reverse Phillips. I've never seen a reverse Phillips. That's an interesting bit. We've got stars, we've got security torques, we've got regular torques, hex, and SAE. Excellent. That's the one thing that I'm not happy about with this version of the toolkit from iFixit. Although iFixit does make a larger size toolkit than this that does have the hex bits and the SAE. This one has hex and SAE in the same box, so that's pretty good. We've got some tri-wings, triangles. These are either square or Roberts, it doesn't say. I don't even know what some of these are called. We have a JIS screw? There's some neat things in here I haven't seen before. Posi-drive. I'm not seeing JIS. JIS is just close enough to Phillips that a lot of people wouldn't even notice the difference. Oh, it's extendable. That's pretty slick. So in case you had some super duper far away screws, maybe this will work on the old Macintosh Classic recessed screws, although that might be too big. I don't know. And I don't have one to test out. Does this have the extendable handle? No, this does not have an extendable handle. Pretty neat little set overall. Clamp shut. This one is magnetic shut. So far, it's got a couple of features that the iFixit toolkit, this size of the iFixit toolkit doesn't have. This size has a couple of features that this doesn't have. So it's not really a apples to apples comparison. Both of these look like they're pretty quality products. So I am pretty interested. I will figure out in the next coming videos which one I like better. So stay tuned for that. Otherwise, there's a link in the description down below for where you can get this Kaiweets toolkit. And there's a video right over here I think you might enjoy next. Thanks for being awesome. I'll see you over there.